FujiClean is a leading Jokaso manufacturer in Japan. Jokaso purifies the wastewater using the function of naturally occurring bacteria. To help the functioning of natural bacteria, FujiClean blowers need to supply air into Jokaso 24 hours a day. FujiClean blower is compact, but ensures the supply of air steadily and quietly. FujiClean blowers are developed to be used exclusively for Jokaso. FujiClean's innovative R&D scientists and engineers have continuously developed and refined the blower. The blower supplying air constantly is required to have reliable strength and stability. FujiClean makes constant effort to improve our product quality through strict tests and inspections in the course of manufacturing. We combine the rare earth magnet and solenoid to improve the running efficiency. We also improve the air compression efficiency by reducing the airflow resistance, as well as optimizing the part shape and the volume. As a result, the electricity consumption is greatly reduced. We also achieve to reduce noise by optimizing the shape of the compression chamber with high-performance noise insulation. The smaller compression chamber contributed to reduce the diaphragm strokes, as well as heat generation. As a result, the diaphragm life was substantially extended. In order to ensure the product quality that can stand more than 3,000 strokes per minute, 24 hours a day, we conduct from the fundamental process, such as manufacturing solenoid, powder coating, and assembly to the product quality inspection in our own factory. Install blower in a well-ventilated area, away from the direct sunlight. Please install blower above the water level of Jokaso. Otherwise, wastewater will flow into the blower. Please note that the diaphragm would deteriorate by chlorine gas occurring from the disinfection process. Please make sure that the piping work should be within 5 meters in length and 5 bends at most. Please connect the pipe with a rubber hose and use a hose band to tie it securely. Please make sure that the Jokaso tank is filled with water up to the specified water level. Make sure aeration comes up evenly. Make sure that there is no abnormality in the noise and vibration of the blower. Please conduct maintenance inspections of the blower before commissioning Jocasso. After commissioning, please conduct inspections as well as cleaning filters and related parts more than once every 4 months. First, remove the dirt clogging the air filter. Replacing the air filter once a year is recommended. Make sure that there is no air leak. Make sure that the airflow volume is sufficient by observing the aeration conditions in the Jocasso. Make sure that there is no abnormal noise. Make sure that there is no abnormal vibration. Make sure that the surface temperature of the housing is not too high. To avoid fire incidents, please wipe the dust or dirt attached to the plugs. Please also check if the plugs are inserted fully in the outlet. Check the wear status of the diaphragm and the valves. The diaphragm goes through more than 1.5 billion strokes in 1 year. To make sure that a sufficient amount of air is supplied to Jocasso, we recommend to replace the diaphragm once a year. So that the blower will be able to supply sufficient amount of air stably and constantly over a long period, make sure that there is no damage with other rubber parts. Please turn off the blower before disassembling. First, remove the housing bolts using an 8mm box wrench. Next, remove the auto stop piece from the holder. Remove the power cable from the hooks. In doing so, be careful not to remove the screws securing the cable. Then remove the 4 screws securing the compression chamber using a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the M3 nuts and then take the diaphragm out of the main body. When replacing the diaphragm, please make sure to replace both sides of the diaphragms and the compression chamber. The replacing procedure should be conducted one at a time. Next, install a new diaphragm. Use the new M3 nylon nuts that come with the new diaphragm kit. Insert the discharging outlet of a new compression chamber assembly into the grommet and secure the compression chamber with the 4 screws. Also check if the oscillator rod is settled in the center. Place the power cable in the hooks where it has been placed before to avoid disconnection. Insert the auto stopper into the holder. Make sure that the auto stopper bar is inserted as far as it clicks. When it is not fully inserted, it may lead to failures. Screw the housing bolts with a Phillips screwdriver first, and then tighten with an 8mm box wrench. After the replacement procedure is complete, make sure to conduct a test run to see that the blower is operating normally. Depending on the model type, the blower may be equipped with an error alarm device or an auto stop function. When the error alarm device on the blower plug is activated, please repair or replace the related parts immediately. Responding quickly will contribute to prevent odors or other complaints with the Jocasso. After taking care of the problem, please set the auto stop piece to restart the blower function. The proper maintenance and regular replacement of consumable parts will enable the blower to operate for an extended period of time instead of replacing the whole blower. Appropriate maintenance service will assure the best performance of FujiClean blower. All the FujiClean blowers are manufactured in factories in Japan in order to exploit the Jocasso capability to the fullest. FujiClean obtained ISO certificate, and for the USA and Canadian market, blowers are certified by UL. We will be happy to respond to inquiries regarding the wastewater treatment, so please feel free to contact us if you require further assistance. FujiClean is the only company in the world that develops and manufactures not only Jocasso, but also blowers. Both FujiClean Jocasso and blowers enjoy our long history of manufacturing experience and quality improvement to offer a truly reliable functionality.